Good morning, dear student. Welcome back again in the English class. So, dear student, we have finished chapter 4, that was the story of Black Beauty, and almost we have done all the exercises. And I hope you have done it very well in your note copies. Dear student, don't ignore it. You must have to do all the works continually. Now, writing skills. Writing skills is left from that lesson, and from every lessons we'll be doing that writing skills later in class, as it is important and it needs some explanation, the way to write different speeches, letters, conversations, paragraphs, essays, so on. We will be doing that in the class itself. For today, we are going to start the last chapter of Unit 1. यूनिट 1 में एनिमल्स के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे. उसका यूनिट का लास्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज़ चैप्टर 5, फ्रॉक्स एवरीवेयर. हम लोग चैप्टर 4 में हॉर्स के बारे में, एनिमल हॉर्स के बारे में पढ़ा है. अब हम लोग यहाँ 5 में फ्रॉक्स इट इज़ ऑल्सो एनिमल, frogs is also animal, and we have to read about frogs in this chapter 5, which is written by a famous and well-known author of India, writer of India, that is Ruskin Bond. Let us have some information about Ruskin Bond. Look on your screen as it is visible over there. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landor, Mussoorie, India. रस्किन बॉन्ड एक इंडियन ऑथर है, लेकिन वो उसका वंश वाली डिसेंट वंश जो उसका जो फादर, ग्रैंडफादर, फोर फादर जो था वो ब्रिटिश का था. बट ही वॉज अडॉप्टेड, अथवा हिज मदर मैरिड, अथवा ही वॉज बॉर्न इन इंडिया, सो ही इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द इंडियन ऑथर. Now we will have more information later on about his early life. First of all, see his other information. We can have all this information in next page also. Now books, the movies and TV shows, The Blue Umbrella, Seven Kun Maaf, The Black Cat, Juno, and we will be having that all those things. Now books, The Room on the Roof, 1956, The Blue Umbrella, 1974, The Night Train at Deoli and Other, 1988, A Flight of Pigeons, 1978. Now dear student, let us go through it, a short brief about Ruskin Bond. Born 19 May 1934. Ruskin Bond was born in 19 May 1934. Is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landor, Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Satya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dera. Our trees still grow in Dera. Maybe we have read this. We will be reading this story in our course book also. It is a very good story about him and his grandfather. His novels in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Dear student, Ruskin Bond is a nature-loving poet. He writes about his lifetime, his adventure, his experiences in his stories. Now let us move. These are all the short information about the great author Ruskin Bond. You can see on the screen. Now let us move. Notable work, Our Trees Still Grow in Dera, A Flight of Pigeons, The Blue Umbrella. These are the notable means it's this book was very famous. Now these books are very famous. Now let us see. Let us see his early life. I will just be explaining his early life, and you will have more information if you see, if you search it in the net. You can have more information about him, and you can know more thing about his early life, his career, his achievement, his references, and so on. You will get more that you can just find it and just read it. Ruskin Bond was born to Edith Clark and Aubrey Alexander Bond. Edith Clark, she was mother, Ruskin Bond's mother. Aubrey Alexander Bond, father. He was the father. In Kasauli, Punjab States Agency, British India, his father taught English to the princess of Jamanagar Palace, and Ruskin and his sister Ellen lived there till he was 6. वहाँ पे उसका पापा इंग्लिश पढ़ाते थे प्रिंसेस को, सब प्रिंसेसेस को. तो उस टाइम वो 6 years का था. उसका बहन भी है एलन. Later, Ruskin's father joined the Royal Air Force in 1939, and Ruskin, along with his mother and sister, went to live at his maternal home at Dehradun. 1939 में रस्किन बॉन्ड का फादर ने RAF रॉयल एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन किया. इसके बाद में रस्किन बॉन्ड, मदर और उसका बहन और देहरादून शिफ्ट हो गए. उसका मैटरनल अंकल के, मैटरनल मम्मी का जो भाई, वहाँ मैटरनल होम में वो लोग शिफ्ट हो गया. Now let us move. Shortly after that he was sent to boarding school in Mussoorie. When Bond was 8 years old, his mother separated from his father and married a Punjabi Hindu, Hari. Now, उसके बाद में ही मैटरनल होम जब ये लोग देहरादून चला गया, उसके बाद में शॉर्टली उसके थोड़े ही दिन बाद में रस्किन बॉन्ड को बोर्डिंग स्कूल में डाल दिया गया. ही वॉज 8 years old at the time. When he was in the Missouri, when 6 साल से वो जब 8 साल का हो गया, तो उस टाइम उसका मम्मी पापा से बिछड़ गया था. वो डाइवोर्स ले लिया. उसका पापा और मम्मी ने डाइवोर्स ले लिया. सो दे गेट सेपरेटेड, एंड मदर, शी अगेन मैरिड टू हिंदू मैन. ही वॉज हरी, हिंदू पंजाबी. He was Punjabi guy. He was a Punjabi man, and his name was Hari. Now his father arranged for Ruskin to be brought to New Delhi, where he was posted. He was very close to his father and describes this period with his father as one of the happiest time of his life. Now, उसका पापा को भी दिल्ली में पोस्ट मिल गया था. तो इसलिए उसका पापा ने दिल्ली में रस्किन बॉन्ड के लिए सब चीज़ अरेंज कर दिया. इसके बाद में वो भी क्या किया, रस्किन बॉन्ड भी पापा के साथ रहने लग गया. एंड दिस वाज द वेरी हैप्पीएस्ट टाइम ऑफ हिज लाइफ. रस्किन बॉन्ड का ये बहुत हैप्पीएस्ट टाइम था जो उसने पापा के साथ स्पेंड किया. When he was 10, his father died of malaria while he was posted in Calcutta. जब उसका पापा कलकत्ता में पोस्टेड हुआ, उस टाइम वो 10 साल का था और पापा मलेरिया का कारण गुजर गया. Ruskin was at his boarding school in Simla and was informed about his tragedy by his teacher. He was thoroughly heartbroken. जब ये पापा मलेरिया से मर गया अथवा वो एक्सपायर हो गया, तो उस टाइम वो स्कूल में पढ़ रहा था, बोर्डिंग में था, हॉस्टल में. उसको खबर मिला, तो इट वाज अ वेरी ट्रेजिडी न्यूज़ फॉर हिम. ही वॉज थोरोली हार्ट ब्रोकन. वो बहुत, उसका हृदय बिखर गया था, उसका हृदय में बहुत चोट लगा था. लेटर ही वॉज रेज्ड बाय हिज मदर एंड स्टेप फादर हु लिव्ड इन देहरादून. बाद में पापा गुजर जाने के बाद में उसका जो मदर था, मम्मी, और उसका स्टेप फादर जो दूसरा पापा था, वो लोग उसको क्या किया, उसको हुरकाया, बढ़ाया और look after him after that. Now, dear student, this was a short information about Ruskin Bond. You can see all the achievement, his awards, if you search in the net. So, dear student, as we have known some lines about our great author Ruskin Bond. So, your duty is to write a short paragraph on Ruskin Bond. That will be your homework. And dear student, it is very necessary. You have to write the note sincerely. Now, this much for today. This much for today, dear student. Let us have the story, the frogs everywhere, in our tomorrow's class, in our next class, and what Ruskin Bond wants to give message through this lesson. Till then, dear student, have a nice time. Have a great day. Thank you.